So in case you have any questions to me or you would like to just to see how I draw, so feel free to ask questions, feel free to watch. I was not sharing that I will go live in advance today because it was like spontaneously. Yeah, but usually for myself it's very hard to find time that is convenient for majority because you are from different parts of the world. Oh, I see Alabama. Cool, India, guys, so many places. Yeah, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. So on my side, it's already 11 p.m. because I'm in Moscow now. How you draw so good? Thank you so much. I don't know. I just draw. I've been drawing for quite a lot of time. I've graduated from the School of Arts when I was 16. And at that time, I was drawing only in watercolor. So watercolor was my first medium and the main one for many years. Yeah, and at that time I was not drawing good. I think I will, share with you some my paintings from that time. In case you will be interesting, you will see that, only that comes with an experience. So more you draw, more you see lessons from others, better you will draw and maybe you will find your own medium. By the way, for those who are interested, I think I've shared that in stories, but then after then that story disappeared. On June 5th, I will be drawing live. It will be a workshop together with Etcher Studio. Just sharing with those who are interested. In case you would like to learn and there I will be explaining what I'm doing because today I will be just drawing and that's it. But in case you have questions, I will try to answer those. But on June 5th, I will be explaining almost each step I'm doing. We will be drawing really yummy berries. We will talk a lot about composition, etc., etc. So in case you would like to join that workshop on June 5th, just go to my profile and there in highlights you will find a link to that workshop, or just ask me afterwards after this live session in direct messages. I will send you the link because it's a great opportunity. I'm not going live so often, or even do not hold any live I would say lessons. So it's the first time actually I'm going live in Zoom. So in case you would like to join and to learn soft pastels, to learn about composition, how I'm taking photos, so just feel free to join. Often I receive questions how to be inspired all the time and how to find topics, what to draw. For me, that's a challenge as well. Usually I'm very dependent on the season. And for me, spring and mostly summer are periods when I gather all the inspiration, when I take photo references for the whole year. And in soft pastels, you are when you're drawing, you are building. And when I draw with fingers, by the way, I feel like I'm building the whole, object, the form. So I'm an active participant of the of the process. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your feedback. I really appreciate all your comments, guys. For sure, I won't finish this one today. Maybe I will go live tomorrow in case you're interested to see how I progress with this painting. So let's see what you write in the comments. In case you're interested, I will try to go live tomorrow, maybe at the same time, maybe a little bit earlier. In case not, I will finish that without you. I would love to watch you finishing it. Okay, then we'll try to go live tomorrow and check my stories to learn about time. I will share, I think, in the stories tomorrow whether I will go live tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Okay, we have some interested. Someone interested. That's cool. You make it look so easy. Thanks a lot. Yeah, when you draw a lot and when medium, so it's really easier to work. Thank you so much. I try to accommodate here really natural colors. And by the way, it will be even more interesting when I add background. It will make objects even more realistic and those will shine a lot when I'm adding that background that I usually add, that light one. Maybe I will go live more often. That's a shame. I'm not I'm not so disciplined, I would say, when it's come to drawing. I do not know when I have inspiration, when I have idea. And usually I draw in a full silence. Maximum what I do is, I record actually sessions and then make lessons for my Patreon. So that's what I do. But usually it's just me, camera, and that's it. Nothing more. So today it's like more like a unique session, because last time I was going live, I think it was in December, if I'm not mistaken. As agreed, I will try to go live tomorrow to continue drawing the same piece, because it won't be in one step for sure, because I will need to work more on the shadow under those fruits, add some details. Here will be a leaf, also shadow under, also background. Yeah, and would like just to remind you, for those who would like to join a really cool workshop where we'll draw actually from zero a cool composition with berries, and we will talk about composition, about colors. I will comment each my step what I am doing. Just join my workshop on June 5th. All information you can find in my profile and highlights. There is a separate part there, or just ask for a link in direct messages. I will send you the link. Number of seats is limited. I will be doing that in HR Studio in Zoom. So in case you would like to join, just let me know and I will send you a link where you can register and get your seat reserved. I know it depends of everyone methods, but do you also use cotton swabs instead of fingers? At the very beginning I received that question from one lady. I do have those. I've tried that one, but no, I do not use that one. I do not feel comfortable. I like to blend with my fingers, so it's like a peculiarity. Maybe for someone it's uncomfortable, but for me it's very very comfortable. Are you posting this video on your feed? I will try to save this video from today. Won't promise you, because here a lot of depends on Instagram. There are some bugs sometimes, but yes, I will try to save this video. Here we are. You're very welcome. Yeah, don't hesitate to ask questions. That's always good for you, because hopefully your question will be answered. It's good for me because I have a topic to talk about, not to keep the audience silent. Which paper you are using? I'm using abrasive type of paper. Now I'm drawing on pastel mat. Tomorrow we will finish this painting together, hopefully. Again, in case I will have time in the evening. I think it will be almost the same time as we started together today, or a little bit earlier, so maybe it will be like 8 or 9 p.m. my time. It's Moscow time, but I will let you know, I think in stories tomorrow, which exact time I'm planning to go live tomorrow. Have you used Cancel Meet and Touch? Is it good for beginners? Yes, I used it a lot. It's a very good paper, professional one. The only minus that I noticed for that particular paper is better to draw on it on a vertical background, because it's a really sanded paper, not like pastel mat, and you will have, due to their unique paper surface, you will have a lot of pastel dust on that Cancel Meet and Touch. So that's the only minus, at least for myself. But other than that, perfect paper. In case you have like, you know, air cleaner near yourself, it will be just perfect. But I'm using pastel mat because on it I almost, you can see, I almost do not have pastel dust. So paper eats almost everything I put on it. That's very good. For my purpose, it's the best paper I can use. I do not fix the color. Paper does that for me. You won't believe me, but it will. I do not use any fixatives. Fixatives will darken your painting. I've tried once with Kohinoor fixative. It was awful. So I just ruined the whole painting. So I do not use myself. I do know that some artists use fixative to fix medium layers. That can be done, yes. But upper layer, no, because it will darken the whole piece. Okay, so we agreed to continue tomorrow, guys. It's almost 12 a.m. on my side. Thanks a lot for joining. Just check tomorrow my stories. I promise to let you know whether there will be any live stream tomorrow, at what time. Also, I will post there a space where you can answer your questions before we're going live. So just keep all your questions for tomorrow. I promise to let you know whether there will be a live stream or not. And I will be answering all your questions that I gather through my stories tomorrow. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot for joining, and hopefully see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.